Namaskar. Welcome to this channel. I am Jyotirvid Amit Singh. I want to share some in-depth knowledge of astrology. In this video, we will understand about the ascendant chart. So, in ascendant chart, you will find this type of chart and ASC for the ascendant. There are 12 cells. Every cell is called cusp. This is first cusp, second cusp, third cusp, fourth cusp, fifth cusp, sixth cusp, seventh cusp, eighth cusp, ninth cusp, 10th cusp, 11th cusp and 12th cusp. Like this, there are some number also present and all the numbers represent their sign. First number 1 for the Aries, number 2 for the Taurus, number 3 for the Gemini, number 4 for the Cancer, number 5 for the Leo, number 6 for the Virgo, number 7 for the Libra, number 8 for the Scorpio, number 9 for Sagittarius, number 10 for Capricorn, number 11 for Aquarius, number 12 for Pisces. So, there are 12 cusp, 12 signs and 9 planets in Indian astrology. In Indian astrology, we use Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. Rahu is north node and Ketu is south node. And when you analyze anybody's horoscope, and if you analyze anyone's horoscope, you see this place. This is the first cusp and this is the main center of this horoscope. From here you can find many formula to interpret the life of individual. If you find Sun at this place, it means the person having some pride within himself. With this, person having some power and person try to keep power. With this, some egocentric and self-centric person is indicating by this Sun in ascendant. If you find Moon in ascendant, it means person is some little bit having moodiness. Moon is here means person having some moodiness. With this, their behavior is keep changing and some childish behavior you can also find in the person. And Moon gives some quick work. So person you will always find very much energetic and emotional type of person. If Mars is present in this cusp, it means Mars is a planet of passion and motivation. It means person having some passion, some motivation to achieve the materialistic life, to achieve the materialistic happiness of life. Mercury, if Mercury present in first cusp, it means Mercury is an intellectual planet. So, person having good intellect with him, quick and fast, and this type of person having power to adjust in any type of circumstances of life. If Jupiter is present here, it means Jupiter is a planet of expansion. Jupiter is a large planet and Jupiter gives wisdom. So person having wisdom, person may have plumpy body, large and plumpy body. With this, Jupiter gives knowledge. So this type of person always having eagerness to take good knowledge. If Venus is present here, so Venus is a planet of value creation. Venus is the representation of aesthetic values of materialistic life. So if Venus is present here, it means person having some interest in singing, dance, art, or anything which attracts human being, that Venus will give in trait. If Saturn is present here, in Indian astrology, Saturn is used to say that Das. But we have to understand the Das. Das means a person who always keep busy in work. Workaholic, you can say, workaholic. Saturn in ascendant, it means the person having some sense of responsibility, and this person always keep him busy in his work. With this, if Rahu is present here, so Rahu is north node, and Rahu is a planet to take all type of new idea. So if in any horoscope Rahu is present in ascendant, it means the person will have some inclination towards new thought process, new idea and new culture. So person will have inclination towards new culture. But if Ketu is present here, it means person having some pride of his old culture, and he is not ready to leave that culture, and he always put himself first with his old culture. Ketu is present here, it means person will have some old school of thought in his mind, and he will try to continue that old school of thought, and he will feel pride in that. So in this video, we just knew about how all planets affect any person personality and traits. In coming video, I will definitely share some more in-depth knowledge of astrology. Kindly share, subscribe and like this video, and you can also put some comment in comment box. Kindly share this video. Thank you for watching. Namaskar.